Meet EcoCare. It's a next-generation service plan providing you with innovative digital features to help manage, protect, and extend the life cycle of your assets. As an EcoCare member, you'll benefit from several touch points to support you in your operations, such as exclusive access and faster response times for remote and on-site support. Let's dive into two key aspects of EcoCare membership. First, you get access to the My Schneider portal, your personalized digital experience with key features to help manage your assets. In addition, our customer success management team will help you get the most out of your installation across its entire lifecycle. Once you've subscribed to EcoCare, your digital experience begins with logging into My Schneider. The first step is to set up your account, and for that, you'll have support from our services team. Once you're activated as a user, you'll get a confirmation email and will be able to complete your registration in My Schneider. Oops, you've missed that email? No worries, it happens. You can simply click on the button Need Help, login done, and registration complete. Welcome to your EcoCare membership. When you enter the portal, you can organize your homepage in the way that works best for you, with your dashboards, key data, and alerts. Now it's time to make the most of your experience and go through some key functionalities to get visibility of your assets under management. First, review your contracts. View details such as membership end date, products covered, and your personalized reports. With visibility of both current and expired contracts, you can ask for amends or renewal whenever you need. You can also benefit from our online chat service and address any topic in an easy and efficient manner, receiving additional support when you need it. Furthermore, you can click and access your installed base, which gives you a view of your site or multiple sites and assets registered in each. As an EcoCare member, you also benefit from regular interactions with your customer success management team. They're your go-to coach, orchestrating experts both on-site and remotely to make sure you get optimal support across your asset lifecycle and providing maintenance recommendations and insights into your operations. We can also help you make the most of your EcoCare membership. For example, did you know you have access to spare parts and specific instructor-led training at member rates? On top of that, we also provide reports relevant to you, such as intervention and connected asset status reports. Time goes fast, and when it's time to renew, we make it easy. Just click on Renew EcoCare and we'll process your request. Subscribe to EcoCare today and benefit from exclusive access to services experts, faster response times, innovative digital analytics, and a unique digital experience to help you maximize uptime, business continuity, and operational efficiency.